everybody, in this video we'll talk about writing an equation of a line given the y-intercept and another point. So let's say we're going to do this graphically, but also think of it algebraically. Let's say we weren't given a graph. Okay, so in this graph we have the y-intercept, so that's where the line crosses the y-axis, okay, is at 0, 2. That's the point. And we're given the point of 4, -6. Okay, now we have two lines, two equations of a line. Y equals mx plus b, and y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This one is one that we did recently. This is the point slope form because we're given a point and a slope. And this one is slope intercept form because we have the slope and the intercept. Okay, now all we need for this one, this first one, is the slope and the intercept. We can do that graphically by, well, we know that b is already 2 because that's our intercept, right? And then m, we can find, we know it's a negative slope because it's going in a negative direction. We can find that by seeing what our rise is. So our rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The change in y is 8. So that's my run, and that's a -8, right? Because I'm going down. And then my run, or my change in x, is 1, 2, 3, 4, which equals -2. So I could just go y equals -2x plus 2. Now let's say I'm not given the graph, right? Well, I know my y-intercept. If I'm given my y-intercept, I already know b. I have 2 points, and remember, our slope also equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now if we label this point 2 and this point 1, then that's going to be y2 is -6, y1 is 4, y1 is 2, x2 is 4, and x1 is 0. So we can see how we get that change in y is -8, and that change in x over 4. So I'm going to get the same thing either way. So for this one, because we had to find the slope, y equals mx plus b was a little bit of an easier way to put it into an equation. So that's writing an equation of a line given the y-intercept and another point.